Frankie, welcome to the Law Show.
Hi.
What can we do for you, Frankie?
Pardon?
What can we do for you, Frankie?
I was a victim of a crime, and I was attacked by a Pitbull, and I was a letter carrier, and I've been on workman's comp for a while, but they cut me off.
Right.
And their doctors say that I'm all better. My mind is all better. My arms are all better. And
I'm guessing, Frankie, you say that none of that's all better.
Right.
And your own doctors say none of that's all better.
My doctor says I'm not there yet. I'm not right yet.
Right.
And the post office's doctors say I'm all fine.
Yep. Frankie, what you're talking about right now is something that's very common in personal injury cases, whether they be workers' compensation or auto accidents or insurance benefits of any kind, where you're talking about a personal injury. The insurance companies or the employers who are self-insured go out and hire their own doctors, and there actually is no patient-doctor relationship between somebody being examined like you by a doctor who was hired by your adversary. So they can kill you because they do a procedure incorrectly, and they never have to be responsible for that. So as a corollary to that, many times these doctors, they're not very responsible in terms of how they examine you, and they're very loose in their opinions. And the whole idea is for them to give an opinion to the adversary, the employer or the insurance company. The insurance company can then say, hey, you're not injured anymore, get back to work, and then cut you off. What you need is you need a workers' compensation lawyer, and a workers' compensation lawyer who knows the federal system, okay, because that's completely different. The U.S. Postal Service is completely different on that. So if you want to give us a call at 866-66-LAWYER, then I'll get you to a lawyer. We don't have a lawyer practicing in the federal system right now in our office for workers' comp, but I know people who do that, and I'd be happy to refer you out. But did that answer your question, Frankie?
Yes.
Okay.
I've been hearing that a lot.
All right. Now let me ask you about the dog. Who owned the dog?
The people that had the house.
Now what are you doing about that?
Oh, they got away with it. The dog got put down. This happened a while ago.
Hey, Frankie?
Yes.
What do you mean they got away with it? Did you know that you have a claim against them for not having a leashed dog? Did you know that?
The court said that it was their first offense, so there was no evidence, and the people that owned the house were renters, and the lady that owned the house said that she didn't know the dogs were vicious. So I lost. I didn't get anything.
How long ago did you lose?
This happened in 1998.
Oh, okay. Well, listen, Frankie, I'm sorry to hear about that. It's too late to do anything about that. That sounds like a weird result, and I've heard about those kinds of results, but I'm not comfortable saying anything about it too much. But why don't you give us a call at the office at 866-66-LAWYER about your federal workers' compensation case, and we'll help you out.